this window actually. It's supposed to put a roll magic, kind of pivot down. That's another ramp truck right there.
Where'd Darren go?
I see his head poked up a while ago. Oh, there he is. Chevrolet Biscayne. That thing's half Bondo. Look at it.
Hey. 5'7", 2,500. Bottom body.
Look at the Biscayne there.
Said it's half Bondo.
Yeah, look at it.
Mostly.
They filled it in up here. Single wheel. Yeah.
That'd be a nice old truck.
Yeah.
Depending on what engine's in it.
Probably a big block.
Might not got an engine. See, the exhaust is disconnected. What did you say? Think it's got an engine?
I guess so. I don't know. I'm just a camera guy. Okay.
Put some new seals in his cab lights, so they didn't even recognize they had cab lights on it. That ain't no big deal.
Betty paid $800 for our truck. Hey, pan over there to the truck that I'm gonna buy.
All right. Which one? This one? What do you think about the truck?
Adjustment. No, they missed that spot. But when Darren gets a hold of it, it's gonna all be fixed.
This is the Wedge Wagon. You'll have to just take it out. I can't afford that.
That's too much money.
Yeah.
No, that's sweet. Yep.
That's his dust fan. Yeah.
Hey, I wonder if you still got your battery? I wonder if you put fuel in that.
See if it'll do it. Well,
Put enough fuel in that tank.
put it on the low side tank.
Get us gas in that jug. What did we? Yeah, but I didn't use all of it.
The jug's in your truck.
That's right.
I saw that old blue Ford diesel I had over there.
Yeah.
Guy come got it yesterday. He was tickled to death. I said, man, it was running when it was parked. All I can tell you. He said, well, if it don't work, I got parked. We'll put another motor in it.
What model Ford was it?
It was an 86.
You had a 6.9 in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He got it home. He just sent me a text. He said, had it running a video.
Yeah.
He said, this thing runs good. I said, well, it was running when it was parked. All I can
Yeah.
tell you.
I had a 90. Was it 90 or 91? It had a 7.3 non-turbo
Yeah.
I bought a Mr. Rig over here, a little dump truck, state dump truck.
Oh, okay.
It run good. I haul many loads of field dirt and gravel and stuff. I pull my little mini backhoe and all.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm glad it runs good. That's awesome, man. Well, the proud it runs good, 'cause I like when somebody gets something they're happy with, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. We don't want to do, we're not going to fix this thing up. We're going to sand it down and clear it. Put us a name on the door. I'm going to redo the inside of it. Put the exhaust, pull the exhaust out of it.
Yeah.
Put rims and tires on it. No, can afford that.
Be a long
Yeah.
road with it.
Yeah.
I wanted that thing to talk to you though with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna run it out. I got a muffler machine and all that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna put them out right in front of the back tires and put them on that long rectangle.
Yeah.
Put all LED lights in it there. We just we're gonna do a YouTube channel.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. That's what he's doing.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. No, y'all fine. No. I don't know where this place is.
Hey, yeah, keep walking around, man.
Yeah, the film
God,
restlessness.
you got to do all that.
But, yeah, we put it on.
We might be able to take the deck of his truck, put it in the back of that trailer, and come along it off the deck of his truck onto the trailer.
That's what I'm thinking about. Yeah, just slide it out, and we'll just roll it. When we get there, we'll see if it'll hold air in the tires. We have purchased ourselves a 1982 ramp truck, and we are, yeah,
This is a Wedge Wagon.
yeah.
This is the Wedge Wagon.
We're going to see about hauling some antique
Trademark.
iron. So we're going to fix it up. It's got a big
It
block,
runs, just not for
454.
very long.
Yeah, we don't want to run it too far.
It's got a pristine Holley carburetor.
It's got a relay loaded down right there.
To the drive cover.
That's like a headlight relay. Man, you can't find that every day.
Now he was going up.
Yeah.
Do we get to keep the weeds with it?
Yeah, weeds come
we,
with it.
we get to take them home with us.
Yep.
Plant our own very own garden of weeds.
Grill might come out time we get home, but
Yep.
you know I always like the bumpers with the teeth on them.
Yeah.
Bulldog bumper or
What we'll
whatever.
do, we'll glue that back on.
Yeah, we can take some liquid nails and get
Yes,
that
yeah.
thing back
Put
on.
it back on. We got to get rid of the John Deere tail.
Yeah, I don't want John Deere.
We got to get Bobcat or something like that.
Or an old,
Got to get some new lens for the lights.
I'd find his old antique farm tag.
What? Just the valve covers is blue. The whole motor ain't blue.
it to the truck. What's more solid than the rear end?
Yeah, but you know what I mean?
We need to invest in an electric wind. Look at got you under dog. One that's sticking out. Dog. Yeah, hook it out of because I might have to.
You want to wrap it around the hook to itself or just like this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Can I get you some ice cream?
I thought the offices, but I thought
Feel like in here, I feel like I need to be ducking. I did not.
I'm gonna film you eating this.
Delicious. Tastes just fine. It's duty time. It's duty time. I gotta get my jacket now.
Now the fun begins.
Well, we made it back with the tow rig. Fixing to try to get it off with that thing. So we'll let you know if we do. This is a 1982
But they say if you don't know what you're doing, it's best to do
pull down
it.
Chevrolet Custom Deluxe C30. That's what Derek Berry says. Chevrolet, not Chevrolet, Chevrolet. Oh, like a rock. You got it now? I may have to get you a chain. Cover up this blasphemy.
bumper's
This-
actually dented a little bit. It looks like.
This ruined
Get it fixed.
all the glory of this. We can fix that right now. Though. Is that a knife?
Oh,
Cameraman Dan.
oh, there he goes. Fixed. I mean, fixed. That'll make man's mouth up. Hey, leave it. Leave it. Yeah, there you go. Leave it over there.
So we gotta pick it up, let the ramps down, then drag it off? Is that what we're
Pick
doing?
it up, let the ramp down, pick the back up because the brakes are locked up on one of the wheels on the back.
I think we're just gonna roll it on